Hello, Classic Car Info fans. Today, we're uncovering 20 classic cars you can grab from the marketplace at amazingly low prices. Don't miss out on these great finds. The purchase link is in the description of this video.
Number 1. This 1968 Ford Galaxy XL Fastback is available for $7,000 in Science Hill, Kentucky. It retains an original green paint and interior, offering an authentic vintage vibe. Under the hood is a strong 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth power. With 90,000 miles, it recently completed a 200-mile drive without any issues. All systems are functional, including the lights, wipers, heater, and even the original AM radio. While some rust is visible above the front fenders, the car remains solid and roadworthy. Available for sale or trade, with photos and video upon request. Number 2. This 1984 Mercury Capri in Fort Worth, Texas is listed at $7,000 and packs serious performance. Under the hood is a rebuilt 302 5.0 with an Edelbrock carbon intake, forged pistons, rods, roller cam, lifters, headers, and a built 3.56 rear end. It's paired with a 5-speed street sweeper manual transmission that has less than 2,000 miles on it. The car features a rear seat delete, originals included, ghost flames over yellow paint, and was driven just 50,000 miles before the rebuild. This sharp muscle-style hatchback is a standout, ready for the streets. Number 3. This 1963 AMC Rambler 550 Classic is priced at $4,000 in Louisville, Kentucky. It is just 48,300 original miles, verified by title documentation, and is powered by a straight 6-engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives around the neighborhood, but will need carburetor and brake work to be fully road ready. Both the interior and exterior are cream-colored, with only minor rust on the passenger floor. Purchased from the original family and garage kept since, this classic retains its original charm. It comes with a clean Kentucky title and plenty of potential for restoration. Number 4. This 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Aero Coupe is priced at $7,000 in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. It's a raw drag project, featuring a powerful big block Chevy engine, for a 9-inch rear end, fuel cell, and a nitrous setup. The car is equipped with a manual transmission, providing full control on the track. The gutted interior and questionable roll cage emphasize its race-oriented design. While it runs, drives, and roars, it has no transferable title, making it best suited as a track-only car. Stored for over a decade, the car was recently revived and sounds strong, a serious build for track enthusiasts. Number 5. This one-owner 1976 Pontiac Bonneville SE sedan, possibly also a Granville, is priced at $4,500 in Sarasota, Florida. It's powered by the legendary 455 V8, offering neck-snapping power that still impresses today. The car features an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and effortless driving experience. With only 40,000 miles, the brown body remains solid and clean, showcasing the car's age without compromising its charm. Mechanically, it needs just a simple kill switch wire replacement. Titled and ready for pickup, this classic Pontiac is a great opportunity for any enthusiast looking for a well-preserved muscle sedan. Offer at $4,500 or best offer. Number 6. This 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme sedan is priced at $6,400 in Belleville, New Jersey. Powered by a 3.8 V6 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, it shows 86,000 miles. The car runs, drives, and stops, though the brakes need attention, and the carburetor is stuck on high idle. The interior requires a full refresh, with a cracked dash, worn trim, and a missing headliner. The exterior has some rust and an aged vinyl top, previously Bondo patched by a young owner. This is still a very fixable project, priced at $6,400, or open to trades. No project vehicles. Number 7. This 1978 Chrysler Cordoba in Big Sandy, Tennessee is priced at $7,500. Powered by a solid 400 V8 engine and with 99,000 miles on the clock, this daily driven survivor runs great. Mated to an automatic transmission, it provides smooth shifting and an enjoyable driving experience. Both the blue exterior and interior are in fantastic condition for its age, and everything functions as it should. With a clean title in the seller's name, this vintage ride is a reliable option for anyone looking to enjoy a piece of Chrysler history. It's a great find. Number 8. This stylish 1962 Buick Skylark Coupe is priced at $4,500 in Banks, Oregon. It's a running and drivable project, featuring the classic 215 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The interior has been refreshed with new seats, headliner, and carpet, while the body and mechanicals are in solid condition, ready for further restoration or light custom work. The car runs and drives well, offering a great foundation for anyone looking to restore a classic. Priced at $4,500, it's available for serious inquiries only. A perfect project for a vintage Buick enthusiast. Number 9. This 1961 Ford Falcon is priced at $5,000 in Charlottesville, Virginia. It has just 36,000 miles and comes equipped with a 170 straight 6-engine paired with an automatic transmission. Recent work includes a new gas tank, new brakes, and new carpet. The charming green-on-green color combo gives a unique look, while the car is in turnkey condition, perfect for entry-level collectors. With its low mileage and solid mechanicals, this Falcon is an excellent classic that's ready to enjoy. Listed at $5,000. A great opportunity. Number 10. This 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Classic LS Sedan 4D Sedan, priced at $9,500, is a standout example of the iconic box Chevy. Powered by a 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it boasts 15-inch rally wheels and fully functional AIC and heat. With 150,000 miles driven, this classic car runs and drives smoothly. The gray-on-gray exterior and interior are in good shape, giving the vehicle a clean, timeless look. Please note, the seller is offering a bill of sale and tag receipt only, as there is no title available. Firmly priced at $9,500. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable vintage ride. Number 11. This 1979 Chrysler Cordoba LeBaron is priced at $10,495 in Buffalo, New York. It's a stylish classic, featuring factory T-tops and a clean brown and tan color combo. Powered by an automatic transmission, the car runs and drives great, making it a solid candidate for a weekend cruiser or vintage daily driver. The Chrysler Cordoba is known for its smooth ride and personal luxury coupe appeal, offering both comfort and style. A well-preserved classic with low mileage is an excellent option for anyone looking to own a vintage vehicle with character. Priced at $10,495 or best offer, it's a great find. Number 12. This rare 1975 Pontiac Bonneville hardtop sedan, priced at $5,500, is a true survivor with only 42,000 original miles. Equipped with a power bench seat and power locks, this classic runs and drives great, offering a smooth and comfortable ride. It features an automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, adding to the driving ease. Although it's not in showroom condition, it presents well with only minor signs of age. With its clean title, this full-size Pontiac stands out as a unique and well-preserved cruiser. Whether you're a collector or looking for a stylish classic, this Bonneville offers plenty of potential. Number 13. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe is priced at $3,500 in Des Moines, Iowa. Powered by a 350 Olds Rocket V8 and paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, the car is mechanically sorted with new parts, including a Holley carb, timing chain, water pump, and more. It drives well and glides on the highway, offering a smooth ride, though it could use some cosmetic attention, such as paint, rust repair, and HVAC work. It remains a great foundation for a project. Listed at $3,500 or best offer, it's a classic with potential. Number 14. This 1979 Chevrolet Impala Aero Coupe, priced at $6,000, is a factory original classic with strong V8 engine and drivetrain. It runs smoothly, with the all-original body and mechanicals in good shape. The car only needs a passenger window and an AC recharge to be fully operational. With over 9 months of daily use, it's proven to be reliable and is ready for a new owner. Featuring an automatic transmission, it provides a comfortable and easy driving experience. This Impala Aero Coupe offers a great opportunity to own a piece of Chevrolet history, and is priced competitively for its condition. Number 15. This 1974 Oldsmobile 98 is priced at $8,000 in Goshen, Indiana. Boasting a powerful 455 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission, this classic is all original. From the tires to the 8-track player, it does need a new vinyl top, hood, and carburetor adjustment, but is otherwise structurally solid with only surface rust. The car comes with a clean North Carolina title and remains a rare and well-preserved luxury cruiser. If you're looking for a vintage ride with classic charm, this 1974 Oldsmobile 98 offers a solid foundation for restoration. Number 16. This 1979 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D, priced at $6,500, has just 91,139 original miles and is a low-mileage classic that blends style with comfort. The body is clean and well-maintained, and the AIC is fully functional, keeping you cool while cruising. The interior is fair but still usable, featuring an upgraded sound system and the original rims and hubcaps. Powered by an automatic transmission, this Riviera offers a smooth driving experience. With a clean title and smog certification in hand, this classic is ready for a new owner who appreciates its timeless design and reliability. Number 17. This 1982 GMC El Camino, also known as a GMC Caballero, is a solid project priced at $6,500 in Oxnard, California. Powered by a V6 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it has 240,000 miles but reportedly runs well, needing only a new battery. The transmission shifts smoothly and the vehicle drives as expected for its mileage. The truck shows no visible major issues and comes with a clean title. Whether you're looking for a utility vehicle or a unique project, this classic El Camino is ready to hit the road with minimal work. At this price, it's a great entry into the world of classic utility vehicles. Number 18. This 1980 Ford F-150 short bed, priced at $7,400, is a clean and refreshed classic truck with a 4.9L inline, 6-engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a new carburetor, fresh spark plugs, and a Raptor-line bed for added durability. The updated interior enhances the driving experience, and with 175,000 miles and no oil leaks, it runs great. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a solid restoration project, this truck is a strong candidate. With a clean Nevada title and a firm price, it's ready for a new owner to enjoy its classic charm and reliability. Number 19. This 1976 Ford F-150 short bed is a rugged classic priced at $7,800 in Salina, Utah. Powered by a likely 360 or 390 FE V8 engine and paired with a manual transmission, this 4x4 short bed truck runs and drives well, offering great performance. It features factory AIC, new front tires, and a mostly clean body, making it a solid candidate for restoration or continued use. There's some rust in the floor pans and cab mounts, along with an aftermarket sunroof that adds character. With a clean title, this truck is ready for a light restoration or on-the-go use. Priced at $7,800 or best offer, is an excellent deal for a vintage workhorse. Number 20. This 1980 Chevrolet 1500 long bed, priced at $1,500, is a solid project truck for someone ready to take on a restoration. Currently, the motor is seized and the truck does not run, meaning it will need to be trailered. The truck features what is believed to be a 305 or 307 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, offering plenty of potential for rebuilding or parts use. It also has its original dealer-installed AIC and an intact interior, which adds to its value as a restoration candidate. With a clean title, this is a great opportunity for a long-term project.